Slava Kalyuga and Alexander Renkel's essay explores the basic concept that as a student's experience grows, the teaching methods for that student change. This is explained by what they dub the expertise reversal effect. The expertise reversal effect is a reversal in the relative effectiveness of instructional methods as levels of learner knowledge in a domain change. The cognitive load theory, or a theory based on human cognitive architecture that includes working memory with very limited duration, explains this psychologically. This limited duration is due to an excessive amount of interlacing aspects of information that has to be processed by the learner. This is productive cognitive load, and there is wasteful cognitive load. Productive cognitive load makes learning possible, and wasteful cognitive load interferes with learning. For example, if a teacher presents a new concept, say the two-party system of the United States, and provides a diagram of the two parties and what they consist of, then the students understand clearly what the two parties are. But if a teacher instead explains the two-party system with pictures of elephants and donkeys on the screen along with the national anthem playing in the background, the student no longer understands what exactly the teacher is trying to say about the two-party system. Thus, in cognitive load theory, this effect of expertise reversal is generally explained by imbalances between the student's knowledge base and the provided instructional guidance. The general idea here is that the instructional guidance that is essential for novices actually inhibits learning for more experienced learners. One example the essay gives of the expertise reversal effect has to do with Shakespearean texts. Experiment 1 presented the original medieval English extracts from one of his plays to two groups of grade 10 students who had very little to no experience with reading Shakespeare. The control group received only the original text, and the conditioned group received the supplementary text to help them decipher the original text. Unsurprisingly, the conditioned group showed lower cognitive load and scored better on a comprehensive test. However, Experiment 2 gave the same text to two groups of Shakespearean experts. The same method was used. The conditioned group received supplementary text and the control received none. This time, the control group scored better all around. This showed that the explanations of text become redundant for more experienced learners and actually distracts them from achieving their goals in learning. Thus, the expertise reversal effect can help to explain why and how instructors ought to frame lessons based on students' needs, and then to create a learning environment that best adheres to learning capability.